Hume Band 2 Unboxing and Setup Google Fitbit Air Killer. In this video, I am going to teach you how to unbox and set up your new Hume Band 2 from start to finish so you can start tracking your emotional well-being right away. If you are wondering whether this sleek emotional AI wearable can really compete with big names like Fitbit or even take on a Google Pixel watch, stay with me because I am going to show you exactly what you get in the box and how to get it running in under 5 minutes. The Hume Band 2 comes in a clean minimalist box that feels premium the moment you open it. Inside you will find the band itself, the magnetic charging cradle, a short USB-C cable, a quick start guide, and a small silicone cleaning cloth. No extra clutter, which is nice. Step 1. Remove the band from its foam tray and inspect it. The new 2 model has a slimmer profile and a high-resolution micro OLED screen that stays dark until you tap it. Charge it first by aligning the gold contacts on the back of the band with the magnetic pins on the cradle. You will feel it snap into place and the charging icon should appear within seconds. Step 2. Download or update the Hume app on your phone. Open the app and create or log into your account. The app will immediately guide you through the onboarding process. Step 3. Pair the band. With Bluetooth turned on, the app will search for your device. Press and hold the side button on the band until the pairing icon appears, then tap it in the app. The whole process takes about 30 seconds. Step 4. Complete the initial setup. The app will ask you to set your baseline for emotional tracking, including a short voice sample and a few quick questions about your typical stress levels. Once that is done, the band will sync your first data points. Step 5. Customize your experience. Go into the app settings to choose your preferred notification style, enable dark mode on the band, and decide how often you want stress alerts. Now here is your pro tip. During the first voice calibration, do it in the exact environment where you spend the most time, like your office or car. This helps the AI learn your normal voice patterns faster and reduces false stress readings from the very first day. To recap, the Hume Band 2 unboxes cleanly, charges magnetically, and pairs through the app in just a few simple steps. It is a strong contender that brings real emotional intelligence to the wearable space and could very well challenge the Fitbit and Google ecosystem. If this unboxing and setup guide helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more honest reviews and tutorials. Drop a comment below and let me know if you think the Hume Band 2 is the real Fitbit Air Killer or if you are still waiting for more features. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.